How to fix Reelshot crashing on iPhone. Is Reelshot crashing unexpectedly? Here's how to stop it on your iPhone. First, close and reopen the app to refresh its processes. Check for any available app updates in the App Store and install them if they are available. Restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Clear the app cache from the iPhone settings. If crashes continue, uninstall and reinstall the app. Make sure your iPhone's iOS version is compatible with Reelshot. Had crashing problems before? Share how you fix them in the comments below. And that's how you can fix Reelshot crashing on iPhone. Avoid editing very large projects all at once. Split them into smaller parts. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.